Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe. I post 2 new videos every week, and I'm currently going through my journey to less toxic nail polish, so today is my second episode of that. I'm going to be taking you along on kind of a shorter, just little shopping vlog. So I recently decided to go shopping for some new polishes, since obviously if you saw my video from last Friday, I've been decluttering a lot of my polishes and getting rid of ones with more ingredients that I'm not really happy with, or ones that are a bit older and I just haven't used them in a long time. So my whole collection really needed a bit of a makeover and definitely an update. So if you haven't already seen my most recent videos where I explained this new journey on my channel, or where I've been beginning to declutter some of my polishes, definitely check those out. I do have a playlist already with my journey to less toxic nail polish videos, and if you haven't already checked out my less toxic page on my website where you can learn more about what's been going on, then definitely check that out. It will always be at the top of the description box. And so today I'm just going to be showing you some of the new polishes I got and my new process for shopping when I'm looking for less toxic polishes in the store. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So our first stop is CVS. I realized I hadn't been here to look at polishes in a while, so I went hunting for some things to look at. So I decided to get a few polishes from the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure line. You might have seen I've reviewed these on my channel a few times, I think, or at least mentioned them in different videos. I do actually really like these polishes, and I wasn't sure how great the ingredients were, even though they are called pure polishes. I really wanted to check to be sure. So as you can see, they are 16 free and 100% vegan and plant-based, which is awesome. So I decided to look on their website before I chose some polishes. So here I'll show you my process. While I was in the store, first I decided to visit the Sally Hansen website, but I couldn't find the ingredients right there, so I went back to the search page and actually ended up looking at Ulta's website, where they did have easier access to the ingredients. So as you can see, they are pretty good compared to especially some of the ones I showed in my recent decluttering video. The only ingredient that they do contain is ferric ammonium ferrocyanide, which is very, very low on my list of concerns personally, and like I always say, you should definitely do your own research and everything before you decide what polishes are best for you. So for me personally, I was quite happy with this list of ingredients, and I think I've mentioned this before, maybe not, but sometimes I really do appreciate when there are lines of polishes that are more conscious with their ingredients. So especially if there's one like that is very, very low on my list, these are a much better option in general. So I was really happy with that, and I decided to get 3 polishes. These are so pretty. I really like the colors I picked, and I would definitely like to get more from this brand very soon. These were about $10 each, so pretty much equivalent with Zoya prices, and the formulas were good so far. I actually swatched these today, so I will be posting these on Instagram very soon, and I'm really happy with these springy colors, so I definitely want to get some more basics from them. Like I said, I'm clearing out a lot of my collection, so I have a lot of colors to replace, and I really like these. So let's move on to our next store. Next, I knew I wanted to stop at Sally Beauty because the recent China Glaze collection is called Cali Dreams, and I just had to get it because that's my name. So I decided to pick up just one polish from this collection for now, since I didn't see any colors that really stood out to me, but I did want to get one because it was a cute little namesake collection. So while I was here, I also wanted to get a couple from the brand Naturalism. This one was newer to me. I reviewed these, I think, back in December, so I'll put that video up in the cards if you'd like to see. And I decided to get a couple from this brand as well. They have really nice colors. The packaging is really aesthetic, and the ingredients are a little bit better. So here I'll show you my process for looking at these. I wasn't able to take pictures of them in the store just because I had nowhere to put my camera and the polish and everything. So here's some pictures from when I got home, and I did highlight the ingredients that were in the polishes for your convenience. And like I always say in a little caption at the beginning of the video, any of the ingredients highlighted here are ones that I personally list on my website. So both of the Naturalism polishes do contain ferric ammonium ferrocyanide as well, and acetyl citrate, which is one that I mentioned in my recent declutter video and actually did a little bit more research on today. So there are actually some new resources for you over on my ingredients page of my website, and I'm actually quite happy with this China Glaze formula. It seems like such a small list compared to some of the other ones, so these I was happy with for now, and I really like the colors, so I decided to get them. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed coming on this little shopping trip with me. I would definitely like to do more videos like this, so stay tuned for that. My next one might even be an online shop with me, because I definitely want to order some Zoya polishes, but we'll see. So let me know in the comments if you've gotten any new polishes recently, or if you have any favorite less toxic brands that you would want to recommend, because I really like hearing recommendations these days. It has been so amazing hearing all of your individual journeys with your own polish collection and everything, so thank you to everyone who leaves such thoughtful wonderful and lovely comments on all these videos. It's really amazing to see all of your support, and I will definitely be swatching these polishes very soon. In fact, I swatched all of them today, so hopefully you'll be seeing some of these pictures throughout the month. And I've started my new process with listing the ingredients and my less toxic page and everything on all of my Instagram posts. I posted my first one today, and it went really well, so I'm really happy to be back posting polishes and nail art and things. I actually did some St. Patrick's Day nail art today, which was quite fun, so I'll be posting that soon. Also, just a quick update before I end the video. If you are a part of my very important Polished Person email club, where I send out a newsletter every week, I've gotten a little behind on those in the past couple weeks, especially with all this new stuff and relaunching and tackling all these new things, so I really want to devote actual time to making those newsletters the best they can be, so I will be sending out new ones in April. There won't be any more for March, unfortunately, so thank you for your patience, and I can't wait to send you some even better emails in April. I'm really excited to share the next theme with you and just provide some really nice content. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!